In this video for section 4.4, we're going to look at some application problems. We're going to look at example 10 from the textbook. This is using the compound interest formula. So we have the compound interest formula here and a reminder of what all the variables are. The question is, how long will it take $25,000 to grow to $500,000 at 9% annual interest compounded monthly? So first we're going to identify our variables here. $25,000 is my principal, and my amount after that time is $500,000, so that's going to be my A. My interest rate is 9%, and I need to put that in as a decimal, 0.09. Compounded monthly means that n equals 12, and what I'm looking for is how long it will take. So that's going to be t. T is going to be what I'm solving for in this equation. So I'm going to plug everything in here. And now I'm looking to solve for t. Now, this is an exponential equation. My variable is in the exponent. So what I need to do first is get the base and the exponent by themselves on one side. In order to do that, I need to divide both sides by 25,000. And 500,000 divided by 25,000 gives me 20. What I'm going to do next is simplify what's in the parentheses. So if I add 1 plus 0.09 divided by 12, I should get 1.0075. So now I have my base, my exponent, and my answer. So in order to solve this, I'm going to take natural log of both sides. So natural log of 20 equals natural log of 1.0075 to the 12t. Now using the power rule, I can move 12t to the front. And lastly, to get t by itself, I'm going to divide by both things that t is multiplied by. T is multiplied by 12, and it is multiplied by natural log of 1.0075. So that's what I'm going to be dividing by on both sides. 12 ln 1.0075. So my answer is t equals ln 20 divided by 12 times ln 1.0075. Now, this answer doesn't really make a whole lot of sense to me because I don't really know how long that is. So for this problem, you're going to get a decimal approximation, and MyLab Math is going to ask you to round to one digit after the decimal point. When you're typing this into your calculator, what you're going to probably want to do is type it in as ln 20 and then divide by and put parentheses around the denominator. Otherwise, the denominator might get kind of messed up. So it should look like this. And then you would have two parentheses. I can't quite fit them in here on the screen, but two parentheses at the end, one for closing the parenthesis around the natural log and one for closing the parenthesis around the denominator. If you type that in, what you should get, rounding to one digit after the decimal point, is 33.4 years. So if you invest $25,000 and you don't put any more money in, if you have a 9% annual interest rate, which is a little bit high, compounded monthly, after 33 years, you will have $500,000. So next you should look at checkpoint problem number 10. Do this in your notes, check your answer, and then move on to the homework.